Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about beta update is not showing in iPhone, how to fix this problem. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and check your internet connection working properly. After this, go back, tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is no option available here. After this, open Safari and search here betaapple.com. After this, scroll down and you can see option here sign in, tap on it. After this, sign in your Apple ID here. Here, wait some second. Here you can see your Apple ID will be signed in here. After this, go back and restart your mobile phone. After this, open setting again. Tap on general, tap on software update. After this, check your option will be show here. Your problem will be solved. Thanks.